Alright, so now you know how to set up your own website. In this video I'm going to quickly go through basically just a summary of what we've learned in this course. So we started out basically just defining what a website is, what's involved with it, and what it needs to run. We talked about static websites, which are basically just regular text and images, no kind of database interaction or anything like that. And then dynamic websites, which you can use the software that we talked about to build: WordPress blogs, Joomla, Magento, shopping cart. And also we talked about the different types. We have blogs, social networks, e-commerce websites, and there's a bunch more. Then we talked about domain names, learned what a domain is, what we can use as far as characters and numbers and all that when creating a domain. Talked about domain name tips, keep it short, try to get the .com, try not to use hyphens or dashes, and we registered a domain through HostGator. And of course we talked about the TLDs, which are basically domain extensions, .com, .net. So after we found out how to do all that with domain, we took a look at what web hosting is. We set up a shared hosting account through HostGator. We logged into cPanel and took a tour and saw what was available to us. We created an email account with our domain name. We also set up an email forwarder, and I showed you how to send and receive your email through Gmail. Alright, and obviously you could use other clients as well, Outlook or whatever it is that you use. We set up an FTP account and then downloaded FileZilla and installed it and connected to it to our website through FileZilla. And we uploaded a couple different HTML documents. We talked about the HTML tag syntax, headings, paragraphs, things like that. Web page structure, we need the HTML5 doc type at the top, HTML head and body tags. We added text and inline images, and we created a contact form. It didn't work because you need server-side programming for it to work, but we basically just set up the form. We talked about CSS to style and make our websites look better. Then we moved on to dynamic websites with different types of open source software. We created these websites on subdomains. We created a few MySQL databases, and we installed WordPress, Joomla, and Magento, which are just basic installations. I would suggest, if you're interested in any of those platforms, visit the official website, go through the support documentation, maybe watch some more tutorials or articles or whatever, and further your knowledge. Alright, so I would suggest that from here, maybe if you didn't know HTML, then you have a really solid foundation now, so you can learn more about that, and then maybe look into creating dynamic websites and all that, and then maybe a server-side language, maybe PHP or something like that. So I enjoyed teaching this course, and I hope you enjoyed taking it, and I will see you in the next series. Thanks.